Locked out of your 2020-2023 Mazda CX-30 due to a dead key fob battery or a dead car battery? Don't worry, you're not stuck. Your CX-30 has a backup system. First, locate the hidden mechanical key inside your key fob. Press the release button on the fob to eject the key blade. Insert this key into the driver's side door lock cylinder and turn to unlock the door. This works even if the car's battery is completely dead. If the car battery is dead, preventing starting, you'll need to jump start it. Use jumper cables, connecting them from a donor vehicle to your CX-30's 12-volt battery terminals, positive to positive, and negative to a ground point like the engine block. Start the donor car, then try starting your CX-30. If you're enrolled in Mazda Connected Services, use the smartphone app to remotely unlock your vehicle, provided you have cellular connectivity. Note that this won't work if the car's battery is dead. To prevent future lockouts, replace your key fob's CR2032 battery regularly. Consider a battery replacement every 1 to 2 years or sooner if you notice decreased range. Cold weather can also impact battery performance, so be extra vigilant during winter. Mazda has released firmware updates for some models to improve key fob battery life monitoring, so check with your dealer for available updates. While Mazda's keyless system is generally reliable, these backup methods and preventative measures will ensure you're never stranded.